morning po.
Here's your question. How can you get others to be more open-minded about the LGBTQ community? Alright. How can you get others to be more open-minded about the LGBTQ community?
Well, thank you for that question, sir. We all know that there is a certain group of people who always experiencing discrimination, and that is the LGBTQIA+ community. Hindi ko na po kailangan i-convince kayo sa buhay namin mga bakla. Dahil sa araw-araw na pamumutya at paglalait sa amin, kami po ay nanatiling matatag at matapang na humaharap sa inyong lahat. Mga natin mga manood, lagi na pong tatandaan, we are all equally created by God. So all we need to do is to love and to belong, to respect and to be respected. Ladies and gentlemen, dito po sa ating lipunan, lagi natin tatandaan, hindi mahalaga kung ano ang iyong kasarian. Kung ito ay tunay na babae, bakla, o lalaki, o tomboy. Dahil ang pinaka-importante dito sa ating lipunan, ikaw ay marunong umunawa at magmahalan ng iyong kapwa. Ladies and gentlemen, always remember this one. If we know on how to embrace beauty or diversity, then we can be globally competitive, not just here in the Philippines, but all around the world. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.